Discover the power of Sourcetable, an AI-driven spreadsheet that revolutionizes data analysis. Experience the convenience of uploading CSV files without signing up. Sourcetable's AI assistant offers formula suggestions and assists with data cleaning. Query databases effortlessly with familiar spreadsheet formulas. Create dynamic charts and graphs for live dashboards. Achieve a unified view of your business data with a single source of truth. Sourcetable keeps your data synced, making it ideal for small teams. It's user-friendly, allowing non-coders to select, filter, and join data. Analyze data across platforms with aggregate functions. Connect to over 100 integrations and databases without coding. Sourcetable is perfect for sales, marketing, finance, analysts, and founders. Features include AI spreadsheet, bulk CSV analysis, business intelligence, interactive visualizations, automated reporting, and data infrastructure. Explore resources for BI tools, spreadsheet formulas, and more. Join the data revolution with Sourcetable today.